In this video, we are going to be doing the installation in AWS of a managed host. So again, in the marketplace, when you search for QRadar IBM, you find the console we did, the video part 1, the app host we did in part 2, and now we're going to be doing the manage host. So we click here, very consistent as the other processes. So I'm going to go quickly here, continue to subscribe, continue to configuration. Here we select the region, in my case is Ohio. Continue to launch. In here, I select the VPC, the subnet, security group, and the key pair as before, and we click launch. And then when we click here on EC2 console, we see the instance of the managed host being initializing, as we see here. So I'm going to pause the video until that completes. We're going to label this one, click on the pencil, manage host, and we're going to grab the public IP into the clipboard and write down the private IP to attach it to the console later. That is done. Now we open terminal. We issue the command as before. I'm going to paste the IP address of the managed host. Type yes. And the command here, again, very consistent. As before, we do sudo /root/setup_mh as a managed host. And let's say that we are doing an 1899 appliance. We hit enter. We're going to wait until it asks us to set the password. So I'm pausing the video until then. That was the fastest of them all. So you set your strong password. We are done from this endpoint. Now we need to go to the console, and we're going to add that managed host. Add a host. The host IP, again, this is the private one. And that is it. Let's wait until this finishes for them to deploy the changes. Don't do the deploy changes as soon as you see the yellow banner here. Wait until the process completes. So here's that yellow banner there. Stay there. Wait until the step 10 of 10 completes to then deploy the changes. Okay, well, that is done. All we need to do is deploy the changes. And we should see 3 hosts now. Pausing the video until then. That's how easy it was to add an event and flow processors to my QRadar console, everything running on AWS. I'm really impressed with the simplicity of this process.